Hi, Central Illinois. Phil Lundquist, General Manager at Jaguar Land Rover Peoria, with this week's update on the construction project at Jaguar Land Rover Peoria. If you notice on the inside, we've got the drywall hung and they're starting to do the painting this week. They're hanging the lights. Heck, we're not that far away from them starting to put the floor in there. So you know what? We're making great progress on the inside. And as you can see, we're making progress on the outside. We've got the concrete poured. We're getting ready to put the pavers in. This place is gonna be amazing when we get done. And you know what? It's coming down to the home stretch. Little things are all that's left to be done because all the major work's pretty much finished. So we're excited. We're looking forward to getting back home here at Jaguar Land Rover Peoria. But in the meantime, we apologize for the inconvenience, but as I've said so many times, service department is open as normal, and our temporary sales location is at 8001 North University. And of course, we're always at JaguarLandRoverPeoria.com. So visit us any of those places to get fantastic service from a fantastic dealership, because you know what? We're doing all this for you to make a great dealership a fantastic dealership.